In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate a 7-day trial on Ubersuggest. If you're looking to enhance your SEO strategies, Ubersuggest is a fantastic tool that can help you achieve your goals. Let's walk through the steps to get started with your free trial. First, you'll need to visit the Ubersuggest website. Open your browser and head over to https://appy.neilpatel.com Ubersuggest. This is where you'll be able to access all the powerful features that Ubersuggest has to offer. Once you're on the website, you'll need to either sign up or log in. If you're new to Ubersuggest, don't worry. Creating a free account is simple. Just enter your email and choose a password to get started. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials to log in. This will give you access to your personal dashboard and all the available tools. Now that you're logged in, look for an option that says Upgrade or Start Your Free Trial. You'll likely see a mention of Try Ubersuggest Premium Free for 7 days. This promotion allows you to explore the premium features without any immediate cost. Click on this option to proceed. The next step is to choose a plan that suits your needs. Ubersuggest offers both monthly and lifetime plans. You won't be charged right away for selecting a plan, so feel free to choose the one that seems most appropriate for your situation. Remember, the trial period will give you a good sense of whether the premium features are a good fit for you. To activate your trial, you'll need to enter your payment details. You'll be asked to provide your credit or debit card information. This is standard practice for most trials, but rest assured you won't be charged until the trial ends. It's a safety measure to ensure uninterrupted access to the service. One important note: you can cancel your trial anytime within the 7-day period if you decide it's not for you. Make sure to keep track of the trial end date, and if you opt not to continue, cancel before the trial period is up to avoid any charges. And there you have it. Your Ubersuggest 7-day trial is now activated. You can begin exploring the tool and its features, dive into keyword research, competitor analysis, and more, harnessing the power of Ubersuggest to take your SEO strategies to the next level. We hope this guide was helpful and that you enjoy exploring everything Ubersuggest has to offer. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Good luck with your SEO journey.